Alright everyone, now let's talk about linking and navigation in Next.js. Let's start with links. For example, we are on the home page and we want to navigate to another page, like the blog page. To do that, we use the link component from Next.js first. We import link from NextLink. Then we can use it like a normal component. Anchor tag link, for example, if I set anchor tag link to /blog, when I click it, it navigates to the blog page. And notice there is no full page reload. This is a single page application behavior, which makes navigation faster. We can also use link for dynamic routes. For example, I can navigate to users/employees/1, and it works exactly the same way. Now let's move to navigation with code. For this, we use the useRouter hook. Let's say we are on the blog page and we want a button to go back to the home page. First, we create a button. Then, we import useRouter from Next Navigation. After that, we create a router instance using the hook. Now, when the button is clicked, we call router.push and pass /. This redirects us to the home page. But there's an important detail here. Hooks only work in client components. By default, all components in Next.js are server components. So if we want to use a hook, we need to add use client at the top of the file. Once we do that, everything works correctly. Now, there's another way to redirect. We can use redirect from Next Navigation. This is not a hook. So it works in server components. For example, inside a dynamic route, we can check the slug value. If it's not equal to something specific, like 5, we can redirect the user to the home page. So if the value is not 5, we call redirect with /, and the user is automatically redirected. So to summarize, link is used for navigation between pages. useRouter is used for programmatic navigation. And redirect is used on the server side. These are the core navigation methods in Next.js, and you'll use them a lot in real projects.